Hot dip galvanizing. Hot dip galvanizing contents. 1. Basic concept and function of hot dip galvanizing. 2. Methods for hot dip galvanizing quality judgment. Basic concept. HDG is a commonly technique used for corrosion protection of metals. The main purpose is to galvanize metal materials, such as steel, by immersing them in a zinc solution to achieve corrosion protection. Function. HDG is a corrosion protection solution, combined by physical and chemical. HDG have good corrosion resistance and nice appearance. HDG commonly used for different areas, which always used for construction, marine, automotive and furniture. Methods for HDG quality judgment. Inspection for appearance. Appearance of HDG should be flat, smooth, no zinc skin, no depressions, no bubbles, no dripping, no flowing and no coating bulging, and without other undesirable phenomena. Coating should be uniform, no bottoming out. Chemical testing. The commonly used chemical testing methods are including measurement of zinc, metallographic analyses and testing of steel chemical composition. Physical performance testing. Physical performance including hardness, tensile strength, flexural strength, and anti-impact. These performances are also very important factors for judging the quality of HDG. Hot dip galvanized steel tube. Hot dip galvanized steel tube contents. 1. Basic concept of hot dip galvanized steel tube. 2. Identification method of hot dip galvanized steel tube. 3. Difference between hot and cold dip galvanized steel tube.